म्हापशेचे सेंट झेवियर कॉलेजीत 2 महिने फाटी स्टुडंट कावन्सिलाची वेंचणूक जिखूनय कॉलेज प्रशासन कावन्सिलाची औपचारीक घोषणा करिना म्हण जिखिल्ल्या एबीव्हीपीच्या कावन्सिलाचे कॉलेजीच्या प्रशासना आड शेनवारा धरणे. मामलेदारान मध्यस्थी केल्या उपरांत दोगूय पक्षकारांची उपजिल्लोधिकाऱ्याच्या कचेरीत मंगळारा बसका दवरल्या. इशूचे फाटभुंयेर NSUI मिडिया मुखार.
This issue was not genuine. I'm telling you. If it was genuine, why only 3 students came there? Those 3 students who came also came with ABVP posters. They came with ABVP posters. They went to the class. They called students there. They disrupted their practicals. They disrupted classes there. Still they didn't come. So this shows only 2 things. First thing is either they were scared of them, or second thing, they didn't find it as a real issue. So why will they come there and be with them? Now ABVP does all this, no, they do it with a preview of what is called nationalism. This is not nationalism. This is called polarization. Nationalism doesn't mean going and abusing the management, going and abusing the principal. The administrator of that college is a religious head. They abused him also. They abused the principal who's a female. And this is nationalism.
We charge that chief minister is directly involved in this, and they want to do communal now because आता त्यांचे काय ना आता त्यांचे full government corner झाला because of Madhuri. So they want to distract this. त्यांना मागता हूं ते ABVP ते सोडत आणि मुवमेंटाक जॉइन जाय. सेफ गोवा सेफ माधुरी मुवमेंटाक जॉइन जाय.
प्रुडंटा खातीर स्वप्नील तारी.